Are your third-party applications failing because of the Basscd module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start our troubleshooting for Basscd module, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This DLL file is an extension for the Bass audio library that provides the routines for playing and ripping digital audio tracks directly from CD-ROM drives on the Windows operating system. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. To resolve this, keep in mind that the Basscd module DLL is typically installed with Bass Sound System. Reinstalling the latest version of Bass Sound System from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Basscd module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. A quick warning, many sites offering the Basscd module DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the Basscd module. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Basscd module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.